Hi, I'm Chris. I'm the co-founder of Benjee, and today I'll be taking you through a solution that we built for insurance adjusters to manage content losses during property claims. The first page you see here is a landing page for adjusters to view all of the different inventories associated with different claims. If they want to create a new inventory, they can click on this button. They can manually enter information or upload a policy to pre-populate some of these fields. And if they want to send the inventory list to multiple different parties, like contractors or multiple claimants, they can enter emails and phone numbers in Magic Link recipients area here. If we want to go to a specific inventory, you can see all of the items associated with this inventory. This is live, so as soon as a claimant or a contractor starts entering items, the adjuster can start evaluating them. We can see that we have some of the more classic columns here, including names, descriptions, purchase dates, and estimated purchase price. But we also include the ability for contractors or claimants to add photos associated with these items, as well as purchase receipts, replacement receipts, and links, so that the adjuster doesn't have to go in and manually assign these things themselves. What Benjee also does is it estimates a purchase price based off of its own research and provides justification for that as well. In addition to that, it calculates a cash value based off of purchase year and depreciation and provides justification for that as well. Finally, what the Benjee is also doing is it also can calculate the amount that is owing to the insured based off of either a cash value or a replacement receipt submitted by the claimant. The adjuster can go and actually take actions on these items as well. So if it wants to indicate that it approves the payout for specific items, it can do that. It can reject other items, or it can notify the claimant or contractor that more information is required by selecting the action required area. The adjuster can also go and actually chat with the claimant about specific items if they want to hash out further details about any one of the line items presented in the list. And finally, what the adjuster can do is they can actually export this information as a report to the insured or the insurer themselves to provide them with a comprehensive understanding of how the content loss for the claim is going. This page is for claimants or contractors to create or add new line items to their content inventory. They can go and easily add new items and associate photos, purchase receipts, links, or replacement receipts with each line item. They can view the status of their items as they're being reviewed, or go take action on any of these specific items. Finally, they can go and save this list and come back to finish that at a later date and submit the final list to the adjuster.